Hello and welcome, beautiful people, to another session of mine, 783. Today we will be probably, most likely, looking at how these pages are working. This entire like the Angular IO thingy, because they have like the nice system how they are storing the articles. And I basically want to do a similar thing. I think so, yeah. We'll start as always with a typing exercise. I will try to keep this number down, so we'll see how successful I will be. I was not very successful lately. This should be better than 10. 5. Okay, that's better. 5:47. We have 1 minute to go. I will be able to. Oh, that's not what I want. 55 seconds. Maybe. Oh, okay. Something funny? Oh yeah, sure, let's have a look. I fucked up this while 7 still better than 747. So let's have a look. Oh fuck me. Let's do this. Okay, let's see.
好了，预备啊，准备啊，大家准备好，准备好，准备好啊！来啊，观众给他们加加油啊，看谁吃得快，好不好？3、2、1，开始！
赵阳，看一下你左边。赵阳，你看一下你左边，好像什么都没发生过一样。安琪的对上是死的再来一只。安琪小时候家里该有多穷啊！这只不过是个棉花糖啊！
我跟你说啊，
怎么了？
安琪准备说入口即化是吧？
不是，稍微有点干。我对不起安瑶，给我起这么个名字。
安妮，你怎么吃的？他怎么吃的？
我从来没有见过吃这么快的。
那他这个回去以后再回放看一下啊，我刚刚也没看清楚。
Something new.
I have got not one.
这个，哎，我让着你。
Okay. Yeah, that was funny.
看清楚。
It's quite funny. What is this? World's thinnest smartphone. I don't want a smart
Look at it. That
thinnest.
that's
But I was looking at the Google Pixel, like the new one, and I was like, you know, like it's still not released. They just leaked some like specification and renders or whatever, and that looks promising. Anyway, hey, so. Oh yeah, I do. It's better than I would be than if I would be looking blue. Yeah, I'm just playing, you know, with the filters around because why not? I found this one, but this one I'll show you. But the other one that's scary. Where is it? I don't see it. Oh, never mind. For some reason, the bold filter doesn't work on me. I see no change. Yeah, no, couldn't find it. Cannot find it. Never mind. Just make it bolder. Yeah, it should make me bolder, but spelled like this. Oh fuck. Yeah, it should make me bolder. Nice rocks. Holy fuck. Bolt and bankrupt? Yeah. I even met like this girl which was looking like his girlfriend. I met her in Prague. There's like this dark-haired, like good-looking girl. Oh, yeah, I think so. I think so. He lives in Prague now. And I met Okay, that'll be something funny.
Here are the 20.
I will watch it later. But where is it? This. And there was this girl which appeared multiple times in his videos. And I met her here. And it was looking like I thought she is his girlfriend. But when I met her, it looked like she is on a date with someone else. So it wasn't, but you probably know, did you? I don't know, I cannot see her in the previews, but I think like a slim, good-looking girl. Oh, this girl. Do you see her? Do you see her? So I met her, and here she is, and here she is. Yeah, so I met her, and here and here and here. Yeah, but it is like 2 years ago, so maybe they were like dating, and now they are not. You know, things are changing. Is she? Ah, okay. So maybe they are good friends. Partners in crime, and the crime being. Oh, look at fucking that! That's that's awesome. He has almost 3 million subscribers. Wow, good for him. He has nice videos. He traveled a lot. I think so. I think yeah. I'm not sure, but I think it's like, oh, there's like a line in this filter. Do you see that? It's like going here. Okay. Darker? I don't. It's like. I think she is. I think she is. Today in the work, so I was working on this ticket for like 3 days now, and I found the problem. It is a bug, and for some reason in this company they decided that they will implement their own drop downs, date pickers, text fields, like everything. They have their own shit. And it's not working properly. So it is a cause of a lot of problems. Yeah. So for example, the null returning shit, that's just, you know, especially you set up the text field and there is nothing, and in the beginning there's like empty string, but if you start writing in it, it is a string, and when you delete that string, suddenly that value is null. And everyone is like, and that's like standard behavior like everywhere in there. So everyone is very defensive. They have like a lot of checks and well, null checks for that, like everywhere around the. No, they don't. They don't use that? Well, I mean, it is underneath there, probably buried. No, it's like this. It's like I probably have to draw it. You know, like if I would have, I will do it in here. Oh, they do. They do use TypeScript. They do. They do use TypeScript. But it's basically the field is. Hold on. So it will be. Oh, come on, work for the fuck's sake. Input equals input type. Date. You know, you already have like this thing. Well, that's like. Don't tell me. Don't. So text, right? Placeholder. Here is some text, right? And that's self-closing. I don't remember. Yeah, that's. We don't need something else, right? So that, yeah, in built-in, whatever, right? So, oh, fuck. Whatever. So now here. What the fuck? What is this thing doing here, huh? Explain. Yeah, okay. So now it works. Right, so here you would, for the fuck's sake, why it doesn't scroll all the way down? Okay, fuck this. This is bullshit. So we will open it in Chrome. So you have this thing, right? And in the beginning, there is testing. Okay, so we will delete inside here. Okay. Now, if we go back to the browser and reload it. So in the beginning, there is this field, right? Maybe I should do it like this. Break. Okay. Reload. Oh, thank you. Oh, the DigitalOcean. That's so nice nickname. I love it. So in the beginning, the field is like empty, right? Right now, the field. Oh, you know what? I will do 2 of them so I can instruct it. So this will be label. Like so, and this will be this is the input field, and then we will have, yeah, and then basically I will do this and change inside tag. This is the value in model, right? Okay, so in the beginning, I am DigitalOcean employee. You fucking are? No fucking way. Okay, so let's have a look at DigitalOcean TV. There is something. Okay, so it. so here's the link for everyone that can subscribe and look at the, I don't know, some videos from So Devs workplace. What is this?
all of that. So by having so
That's interesting.
and it needs
Okay, so I will investigate this later. I like that. So oh, I see. I fucked up a little bit. Where's this extra? What the fuck? That should be. Oh, I see. Hey, Erickson. It's okay. Now I'm explaining like one of the problem which we have in the work, right? So they have their own like text fields. Oh, am I? Oh, I'm so honored. Thank you. So this is the input field, right? So in the beginning, before you touch it, the value is empty string, right? When I change it, you know, like a SDF, the value is SDF, like so, right? This is how their implemented field works, right? Then when you delete it, this is no, oh fuck. That's the problem. So there's a problem, and they like over. Oh yes. But I have some I have some beautiful people which are subscribed to me. It's not as much as it was. Now I have where is it? I have six people who subscribe to me. Yeah. Yeah. So this is the problem which there is. And because they over-engineered even like the creation of those fields, so it's not really straightforward to like change it to for it to return something else, because it's used, there's like this inheritance, you know, and from like some like great parents to many types of these like inputs. You know, it could be like useful. So basically, if you change that implementation, you will not change it only for the text field, but you will change it for you might change it for the number, date, you know, email, what have you, right? So so yeah, so I was investigating that if I can change that in like quickly, you know, like change this. So not everyone have to like check for nulls, like yeah. Oh, it's like probably not mine. Okay. Yeah, that's okay. So yeah. And oh yeah, I will comment this. Oh, that's just this, right? Yep. So we'll not comment that. That's not important. Anyway, so now it looks like this. Yes. Okay, cool. Looks like garbage, I don't care right now. Anyway, I will start the timer and we will export the... Okay, so this is the template syntax, but I want to have a look at the Angular thingy. Is this that? Yes, okay, cool. So what we want to find out is how exactly they are building their page, right? The page being the Angular IO page, right? So for example, this cheat sheet, you know, which is like in the HTML, we can find in the project as the cheat sheet MD, right? They are using the Markdown, but as you can see, you can use the pure HTML if you so desire. No problem in there. And they are saving all of these things like in this format, right? Which is pretty nice. You can write pretty quickly, you know, you have a... Why this fucking... Okay. And you have a preview of what you are writing right away, and then you just push it, and you have like versioning system for your articles, right? Or entries or whatever. What you have to do is then go ahead and include that in the navigation JSON, you know, where you specify where exactly it will be placed. Where's the breadcrumbs? I don't have a breadcrumbs. There's like the breadcrumbs. Why it doesn't show? Breadcrumbs, show breadcrumbs. Here we go. Right, so, and I probably want to have it on top. Breadcrumbs on top. There we go. Right, so now I can see that we are in a top bar, you know, like there's like URL, title, whatever, whatever. You know, and here is site navigation. There's like, I don't know, try it, you know, then you have in the this doesn't help that much. But basically you put it in here somewhere, and based on that they somehow generate like the structure for the entire thing, right? So this is the left side navigation, which we just saw. And I want to know how to do it. Maybe in the README we'll have more things. Here's developers tasks. dgeni for converting source files to rendered files that can be viewed in the website. dgeni. What is dgeni? Flexible JavaScript documentation. Interesting. That's probably not what I want. I'm looking for the mechanism which converts the MD files into something which is readable. this is probably not it. So Genie configuration. What is this? NGSW config template. What the hell is this? Okay. I have no idea what is that. So the Angular configuration. Oh, they are. What? They're using Firebase? So they have some kind of like redirection. Okay. Okay. Those TypeScript thingies. Okay. How? Okay, so if I have so if I have a look into package, I can at least see what they are using, right? What is... Okay, so those are scripts which we don't need to see right now. Dependencies, here we go. Engines, Node, Yarn, NPM, sure. Ha! Look at that. Please use Yarn instead. Funny. Anyway, so those are Angular shit. This is Angular shit. What is the web components? RxJS, sure. TypeScript, Zone. What is Zone.js? Okay. Can confirm that DigitalOcean TV is very legit. Oh, really? Okay. Well, they seem like they have a quite a few legitly looking videos. They stream quite often. Accelerating modern app development. How did your company landed in here? I don't understand. I mean, and by here I mean like in my channel. Da, da, da. Execution context that persists across async tasks. Thread local storage. They are looking at joining the Twitch developer community. Oh well, welcome, I would say. Welcome and enjoy. It's quite small community, so I think that they might make a good name for themselves pretty quickly, because there is not much of companies which are present on Twitch. But the impact on this move would be also like not as big, I think. So prior true dependencies, all Angular shit, dev dependencies, Angular, and then we'll see types, yarn, archiver assert, yeah sure, CJSON. I don't know what are those two, this. We just did look at this guy. Faint free for Fire. Yeah, I'm like worried that they are storing it in Firebase now. I was hoping that they are not. Well, Firebase is a lot of tools, right? So it doesn't have to be just the Firestore. Maybe they are not using it at all. Uglify. Do you see that? What the fuck is that? Uglify.js. Well, what the fuck is that? It's a minifier. Oh, I see. Okay. It's parser, minifier, compressor, and beautifier toolkit. That's awesome. Latest version of no, there's like some. That's awesome. Okay, but this didn't tell me much about how this works. So where would be a good place to start to find out how this thing works? So maybe we can go from top to bottom. Right, so we are interested in the AI. Oh fuck! In the AIO here. This is what we are interested in. Like, yeah, well, I did not mean to select all of that, but here, right? This is where the meat is. So we can have a look at the top level and have a look what there is, right? So there's like polyfill, sure. And here's the use of the zone. Okay, so we will go to the main, and there is environment production, enable production mode, sure. And then we are just bootstrapping it as always. So we can have a look in the app module, and that will lead to like the main thingy and so on, right? So that's boring. Let's have a look and in the index right away. And so here is the title, so that, okay, yeah, Angular, whatever. So if we do this, it should be okay. If we do inspect at title Angular, we are in the right place, of course. Now there's like something base ref, then we have some links. It's still in the head, yeah, sure. Okay, so we are loading like some font, something, some style. We have a, okay, so we have a 2-star light theme, dark theme. Who knows where it is? Okay, so what the fuck is this? This is something dynamically preemptively at no index, which will be removed when the doc is ready and valid. Okay. Here's for Google Analytics. Okay, so we don't care about that. This is also something for Google Analytics. We don't care about that. And here we have main thingy. That's another polyfill. AIO shell is it called, huh? Okay. Page ID string, an HTML-friendly identifier for the currently displayed page. This is computed from the current document ID by replacing slash with dash. Okay. Ah, okay, so it will be folder ID plus. Okay. Host binding. I still don't know what the host binding does. I should look it up. Sidenet. That is a string. Okay. Footer nodes, navigation node, array. What is navigation node? It's both of them are. So title, URL, tooltip, hidden children. Okay. Oh, I think I know. I know what here will be happening. lately. Like the battery in these headphones I have is like going away quickly. Well, I'm using it like all day long, but still I feel it depletes quicker. I already charged it today once. Oh well. So you have side navigation. What is math? I guess it's something. Constructor search service. Okay, cool. So that will be. What is the TOC? The TOC was something. Table of contents. Yeah. Okay. Consider whether we can look up this table at next version from the internet. As usual. Oh fuck. As usual, it will be not as straightforward as I thought. It will be doc inserted, doc version change. How do? Okay, so maybe a little bit insightful would be to have a look into template. How does that look, huh? Or better yet, how can I run this? AIO, readme, yarn setup. Okay, you know what? Yes. We will. There was this. You cannot do. Open. The thing in it. Good copy, find images, or else refactor. Fuck that. Okay. Fine. Not a problem. Angular IO. Now we have to go to. Where the fuck is it? Oh, it was not in the Angular IO. It was in the Angular IO. It was self-reliant thing, right? But now it's not. So they have it in. Oh fuck no! In the AO, and here we will run up the shit, and that will be what they said. Okay, so we do yarn setup to build Angular from the source code and use these locally built version instead of the ones fetched from npm. Yeah, so yarn setup. And is the page. Okay, so maybe this, and that. Okay, so yarn, cool. Then yarn install, and that was the same thing. Okay, good. And we will yarn start. Is that it? If we have a look, and here will be package somewhere. Is it not? Where the fuck is the package? Hold on. Here is the package. So what they are doing? They have. I'm looking for scripts now. Oh fuck! I did not want that. Close this. Dependencies. I don't care. Where the fuck? Where are they? Here. Scripts. I did collapse it. Expand. Check environment and serve. Yeah, that looks good. So we do just yarn start, and it runs check environment and serve it. Yeah, see, yeah, that looks reasonable. So we do yarn start. And now we will see if that thing works. No, I didn't. And right now I'm more interested in like this is like well basically now I'm like working on like my like other like project, and that is, you know, I have these web pages, right, which are basically just like pure HTML, just tiny bit of JavaScript, and I want to like build a page like my blog or whatever, you know, like where I will like paste in like code snippets and so on, and explain shit even for myself in here, and I want to like do it in Angular to use it for the routing and navigation and stuff like that. And I really like the structure, right? Like for example, this is generated, you know, like this menu on top of that is fixed, but like those things are like generated, you know, like if we go to like somewhere, you know, you have like this thing which is generated based on the document which is in there, you know. So I really like this approach, you know, where I would be writing, where I will be writing just this. So now I'm looking how they are doing it, and then I will try to build it myself. Yeah, so that's my project now. Okay, so it was compiled successfully, but it should. Oh yeah, localhost. Here we go. It's already. Oh, hold on. Angle light open server listening in here. Open your browser. Okay, yeah. Okay, so that's cool. Localhost. Okay, we have a problem. Isn't that beautiful? I'll give you a hint, it's not. So he did not find this. Oh, you like it? So I guess you are the right person to be a developer. Localhost generated navigation JSON. What is this? Zone.js. Okay. Seems like I'm not doing. Something. This is not how you run it, probably. So if we go back to the README, holy fuck! Why is this here? Okay, it's error. It will not be fixed. I know. Yarn docs, yeah, blah blah blah. Windows users. Setting up the examples involves creating some symbolic links. See here for details on Windows. This requires to either have developer mode enabled or run setup commands as administrator. I see. Maybe I should run. Does not set up service worker. If you want to test service worker locally, yes, you can use beyond build and then serve the files in dist with. Okay, so I guess I have to do that. Okay. Service workers are a pain to work with. Sometimes I don't even know what that is. So maybe, I don't know. And this guy, copy, pasty, not found. Okay. You can use yarn-bird and then serve. Okay, so have I, okay, yarn build. Come on. Here we go. in work, they also have their own translation service. They are not using the I-18 N, like the usual thing which is used with Angular. I don't know why. I would like to get to know the reasoning behind all of that. Oh yeah, there's like lots of odd decisions in there, and today I have found out that the person who was like in charge of the Angular project, that was actually his first Angular project at all. That's a little bit. It's mm, not inspiring confidence, you know. So at one time, at one side, I want to think that some of the like decisions which were made were just like uninformed and idiotic decisions. But on the other hand, I want to know like how these decisions came about, right? Because there might be some reason, right? I just don't know about it. And but right now, I don't see why like lots of stuff have been done the way it is. It doesn't make sense to me. And so I would like to know, but the person who was in charge has been fired, and I cannot talk with him now. So yeah, I don't know. It takes forever. Come on, go, go, go. They even wrote like their own wrapper around uh around uh the RX thingy. What the fuck? Some error. Build symlink. Oh yeah. That's the thing they said, right? I need to elevate the rights. So we will do run as administrator. Yes. Yeah, but now I have to navigate to, okay. So cd def def oh fuck, there, search, let's see, Angular, there, CAIO, okay, there, yeah, yarn build. That should be much faster because it should not have to download those packages again, right? And they have a lot of problems with the front end. Like, it's so much so that if you say like all of the problems are in front end, you're basically right in the company. Like, from all the bugs I have seen so far, and there was just one where there was like they did some adjustment in the backend. They changed the table, but that was all. All of other like bug tickets, they are, hey Tomcat. Well, I have been told left and right that the people which were like doing the front end did not know what they are doing. I'll stop recording. What the fuck? Keyboard is not working or what? It is, so... What is happening? Oh, anyway.